Alright, here's a look at Blue Truck. This truck I've had for a while now. Took it in trade probably 4 or 5 years ago. Sinister diesel intake. ARP head studs, ARP main studs. It's got 100 horsepower injectors. Aftermarket turbo. Fast fuel system. Bigger camshaft. Yeah, pretty much built internals. Bigger injectors, bigger turbo. Gonna be taking this out of this automatic Blue Truck, putting it in the white 6-speed truck. I gotta swap the harness and the clutch. But figured I'd get a video before I started. And then I was able to get the old motor inside the back of the truck. So I'll be able to swap this shit out if there's enough room in here, I'm hoping, but I don't know if I can or not because there's not much room. But there's all my spare parts. There's my clutch. The wiring harness from the standard one, so all that's got to get swapped to this one. I'm hoping the ECU's still good, or the ECM. I can't get over there now. You can see I barely can fit this thing in the garage. So, but the motor has a bad spot where the internals came through the block right next to the computer. So I'm hoping it wasn't hit or hurting at all. It's in here. We're working on getting the motor out. Figured I'd just get a video before I started it. It's complete. Kind of give you an idea what it looked like. Did take out a light. You can see the broken parts because these fucking wings were on it. So I just snapped those CB antennas off. Said fuck it. Get out of the way. There's a look at where we're at.